it's Nikki here with Out the Store. We're out in the Tonto National Forest. So I take it for granted that that I can walk in the woods. I grew up in this part of Arizona, and I just got out all the time. Never even think of it. But there's a lot of people out there who haven't really been out yet. So just a couple quick tips about walking in the woods, whether you're on a trail or you're not on a trail. Once you leave the car, once you leave base camp, um, and maybe that's your car, maybe that's your campground, wherever, but where your base camp is, as you walk, look back several times. The view looks different when you're going forward and when you're going backward. So if you can keep looking back once in a while, you'll be able to remember your way back. Also, when you look back, here's tip number 2. You want to be looking for something interesting. Maybe it's a tree that's doing like a weird, funky little dance. Maybe it's just the view. It's pretty. And the more you look back, the more you'll discern when you saw that view. It will help you find your way back, for sure. Because here with Out the Store, we want you to have epic journeys. Obviously, we want you to have safe ones. A little bit of adventure is good. A little bit of adversity. It builds character. But you also want to make sure you get back to civilization. So there's your quick 2 tips for 2 Tip Tuesday. Hiking in the woods, walking in the woods. I'm just wandering around. There's no trail. I'm just wandering around, but I know exactly where the car is. I'm not far from it. Thanks for joining me for 2 Tip Tuesday. Make sure to subscribe. We want to keep connecting with you.